Good morning to everyone. Last class we had discussed the example of below type or less than type. So in this class we will learn how to find the median of more than type. Example is more than in years. More than 30 is here given number of persons 1000. More than 40 number of persons is given 950. More than 50 number of persons is 350. More than 60 number of persons is 250. More than 70 number of persons are given 220. More than 80 number of persons are 100. So is more than in year. So this column you have to consider as a class interval. Class interval is given more than 10. Sorry, more than 30, more than 40, more than 50, more than 60, more than 70, more than 80 is given. So difference of 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 is 10. So that's why you have to take or you have to make the group of difference between group is 10 only. So more than 30 means you have to take 30 to 40 is one group. 40 minus 30 is 10 only. Next one, more than 40 means you have to take another group is 40 to 50. Next one, more than 50, 50 to 60 one group. Next, more than 60, more than 60 you can take 60 to 70. More than 70, 70 to 80 is one group. Next, more than 80, so you have to take 80 to 90. So this is the class interval. Next one, here given number of persons, here given 1000, 950, 350, 250, 220 and 100. So this is in the form of descending order. Ascending or descending given means this column you have to consider as a CF column. So this is CF is given, cumulative frequency is given, you have to convert cumulative frequency to the frequency column. So cumulative frequency is, first one is 1000, next 950, next one is 350, next one is 250, next one is 220, next one is 100 is given. Next you have to prepare the F column, CF to F in more than type. So highest value of cumulative frequency is 1000. It is always equal to the sigma of F or summation of F. It is 1000. Lowest value of CF is always equal to the corresponding value of the F. This is lowest is 100. So you have to write 100 as it is. Next, this is more than is given. So you have to subtract from below to the top. Less than or below given means you have to subtract from top to the bottom. Here you have to subtract from below to the top or bottom to the top. So 220 minus 100 is 120. 250 minus 220 is 30. Next, 350 minus 250 is 100. Sorry, 100. 350 minus 250 is 100. Next one is 950 minus 350. 950 minus 350 is 0, 0. This one is 600. 600 plus the 350 is 950 only. So 1000 minus 950 is 50. Suppose you have to add these all means we will get the 1000 only. 600, 700, 800, 800, 900. This one is 1000. So F equal to 1000 only. Or you have to consider this one is N. Number of observation is N. So you have to write here N. N equal to how much? 1000. N equal to 1000. Next one you have to find out N by 2. 1000 divided by 2 means you will get 500. Next you have to find out the median of the class. N by 2 you got the 500. Just you have to find out 500 after just greater number is which one? 500 after just greater number is 950. 950 you have to make the column. So this is called as median of the median class. Median class. So N by 2 is 500. 500 after just greater number is 950. Among this just greater is 950. That's why I have to make this one the box and it is called as a median class. Next one you have to find out the L. L means lower limit of the median class. median class is this, lower limit is 40, so you have to take here 40. Next one you have to find out h. H means class width or class size of the median class. Median class formula is class size formula is upper limit minus lower limit. 50 minus 40 is 10, so h equal to 10. Next you have to require CF. CF is median class is 950, smaller of median class CF is 350. So you have to take less than 950 only. Suppose it is the value of above you will get, means this you have to take the above value. 950 less value is 350, below means you take the below value. In lower limit, in less than, you will get the less than value above the CF median class. Here more than, always you will get below the CF of the median class. So 950 less than, 950 is greater than 350, that's why I have to take, comparing to 950, 350 is less, so that's why I have to take 350 is CF value. In less than we will take above the CF of the median class. In more than you have to take above the CF of, below the CF of the median class, that is 350. Next one is F. F of the median class is 600, you have to take 600. Next you have to use the formula median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. This is the formula to find the median. This is F. Median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Median equal to L value is 40, so you have to take 40 plus n by 2 is 500 minus CF is 350 divided by F. F is 600 into H 10. Next you have to simplify 40 as it is, 500 minus 350. 500 minus 350 is 150 divided by 600 into H is 10. 40 plus 150 into 10, 1500 divided by 600. 0 0 get cancelled. So you have to write 40 plus 15 divided by 6. 40 plus 16 by 15 by 6. So 6 divided by 15 means 6 2s are 12. 3 is the remainder. Take the point 0. 6 5s are 30. Remainder is 0 0. So this one is 2.5 equal to 42.5. Median of the problem is 42.5. So let us check out once again how to find out the median in the type of more than type. Here given A is more than in year, more than 30, number of persons are given 1000, more than 40, number of persons is 950, more than 50, number of persons is 350, more than 60, number of persons is 250, more than 70, number of persons is 220, more than 80, number of persons is 100 is given. So more the age you have to consider always class interval, or marks also given means you have to consider as a class interval. So you require here more than 30, more than 40, more than 50, more than 60, more than 70, more than 80. So difference between these all numerical data is 10. So you have to make the group difference of 10. So more than 30 means you have to take 30 to 40 is one group, more than 40 means 40 to 51 group, more than 50 means 50 to 61 group, more than 60, 60 to 71 group, more than 70, 70 to 81 group, more than 80 means 80 to 90 is one group. Next one, number of persons are given 1000, 950, 350, 250, 220 and 100. So this is in the form of a descending. Suppose ascending and descending order is given means always you have to consider this column as a CF value, cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is 1000, 950, 350, 250, 220 and 100. So next you have to convert CF to the F. So highest value of the CF is, it is equal to the sigma of F, that is 1000, or you can consider as a N, and lowest value of CF is always it is equal to the corresponding value of F value, that is 100. Suppose more than given means you have to subtract from bottom to the top. Here less than or below given means you have to subtract from top to the bottom. Here more than given, that's how to subtract from bottom to the top. This 100 keep as it is. 220 minus 100 is 120. 250 minus 220 is 30. 350 minus 250 is 100. 950 minus 350 is 600. Next 1000 minus 950 is 50. Next you have to find out n is 1000, n by 2. n by 2 is 1000 by 2 is 500. 500 after just greater number is 950. That's why I have to take it. This is a box. This box is called as a median class. Next L. L means lower limit of the median class. That is 40. Height. Class size of the median class. Class size formula is upper limit minus lower limit. 50 minus 40 is 10. CF. CF value is always have to take median class is 950 less than 950. Less than 950 is 350. In below less than only take that less than value, always you will get the above of the this median class. In more than you will get less than value is always below of this class. So here CF is 350, F is median frequency, median class of the frequency is 600. Next you have to use the formula median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Next step you have to substitute the value. Median equal to L is 40 plus n by 2 is 500 minus CF is 350 divided by F is 600 into H is 10. 40 as it is. 500 plus 350, 150 divided by 600 into 10. 40 as it is. 150 into 10, 1500. Next divided by 600, 20 get cancelled. 15 by 6, 40 plus 16 by 15 by 6. 15 by 6 you have to divide, means you will get the answer 2.5. 40 plus 2.5 addition means you will get 42.5. So this is the median of the class. Next class we will discuss how to find out the below type and more than type. Find the mode or mean. Thank you.